Man, my friend that works at Life Care Center, and she's the best caretaker, the best nurse. Awesome. Okay, who's the fastest and best cook?
The man in the bed.
Okay, big sucker, big sucker. You know what? I'm making Okonomiyaki.
Ooh, I see.
Okay, Hawaiian style with Kalua Pork.
Nice.
You want to try
I
some?
can't wait to try.
Okay, awesome.
Mm.
Yeah, good. Awesome.
So
Thank you very
good.
much.
Thank you.
And thank you for all what you do at the Life Care
course.
Center. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting. You know, you go to Japan, Okonomiyaki. Food is street food. Okonomi means anything goes. Yaki means cook. So this is what you can use, just anything. Use your creativity. I'm going to try to make a Kalua Pork Okonomiyaki. First of all, you got the dry mix here, okay? You add in the dry mix, some flour, and you add in some cornstarch. And you mix it up, okay, just like that. Then you add in some cabbage, okay? Kind of mix it up just like this, see? And in here, you know, you can use like shrimp with bacon and everything, but I'm gonna do Hawaiian style. And what goes good with cabbage? Kalua Pork. Just dump in the Kalua Pork, mix it up with the cabbage, and the cornstarch, and the flour. So this is like basically my dry mix, right here, okay? Then, in a bowl, crack in about 2 eggs. Okay. Grab the eggs, heat it up, just like this. Ondashi. So I just put one small little half packet with some water. Dump them in here. Add in a little salt, and you add in a little pepper. Mix it all up. Okay, and then I mix both of these together. Mix it all up, okay? So it kind of like looks just like this, okay? Okay, now you put on the pan. Okay, just about medium heat. And I'm gonna use, again, sunflower oil. The thing I like about this sunflower is locally made, can handle high heat, and it adds a little bit more flavor, okay? So here we go. Kind of like spoon out a bunch just like this. Japan, they do it on a nice big flat grill. But you know what? The man in the pan said the pan works just as well. Okay, I think it's almost done. Oh, look at that. You can put on mayonnaise, you can put on tonkatsu sauce, you can put on okonomiyaki sauce. Thinking, what goes good with Kalua cabbage? Lomi salmon. So I'm going to dribble on some lomi salmon. You know, the lomi salmon has a little salty taste in it, so it's good with the Kalua cabbage. Okay, there you go. Hawaiian style okonomiyaki. It looks good, but let's see how it tastes. Man. Okay, until next week, I'll see you, man in the pan. Hawaiian style okonomiyaki. Awesome. See you. Aloha.